Have you ever stopped to think about how Elon Musk, one of the greatest entrepreneurial minds of the century, built an empire that doesn't rely on just one source of income? Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company. It almost seems like he has a supernatural ability to multiply his earnings on multiple fronts at the same time. But the truth is, there's a hidden strategy behind this success. A logic, a system that turns each project into a gear that powers the others, creating a true financial ecosystem. And the best part, this strategy isn't exclusive to him. You can also learn and apply these tactics to build multiple solid and scalable income streams, even if you're starting from scratch. In this video, I'm going to reveal how Elon Musk thinks, acts, and structures his businesses to generate money in a smart and sustainable way. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to get content that will transform the way you see and create wealth. This will be essential for your journey. First of all, we need to understand what Musk does differently. He doesn't see his companies as isolated businesses, but as part of an integrated system. Each one feeds the others in some way. This systemic vision is what allows him to create multiple income sources that amplify each other. A clear example is the use of data. Tesla is not just an electric car manufacturer, it's a platform that collects data to feed its AI systems. This data is used to improve autonomous driving technology, create services like personalized insurance, predictive maintenance, and even future products we haven't seen yet. For you, this means looking at what you already have, even if it doesn't seem like money, and thinking about how to turn those hidden assets into income. Besides data, Elon Musk's personal brand is a valuable asset. He's not just the CEO of his companies, he's a brand with global influence power. Every post, every statement he makes impacts the market, creates opportunities, and attracts investments. This happens because authority generates trust and opens doors others can't even imagine. That's why building your own authority, whether as an expert, influencer, or entrepreneur, is a fundamental step to open multiple income streams. Courses, consulting, digital products, and partnerships are ways to monetize that authority. Another fundamental point in Musk's strategy is reusing infrastructure between his companies. SpaceX, for example, uses its launch infrastructure for different projects, while Tesla develops batteries that power several systems, including future SpaceX projects. This integration reduces costs, speeds up development, and creates synergies that multiply results. In your business, this means identifying resources that can be reused for different products or services, increasing efficiency and profit. Intellectual property also plays a strategic role in this mechanism. Musk even made some Tesla patents public, a move that might seem contradictory at first but has a clear goal: to foster the market and speed up technology adoption. Additionally, intellectual property serves as the foundation for creating new complementary products and services, expanding the ecosystem's reach. For you, developing exclusive processes, content, or methods that can be licensed or sold is a powerful way to expand your income and create barriers against competition. Strategic partnerships are another pillar of Musk's strategy. He knows he can't conquer everything alone and seeks alliances that strengthen his businesses and expand opportunities. Partnerships with governments, other companies, and investors help leverage resources, share risks, and explore new markets. For your case, building a strong network of partnerships can be the difference between stagnating and growing exponentially. Now let's bring all this to your context. The first step is to identify your own hidden assets. It could be knowledge, a skill, a network, physical or digital infrastructure. All of this has potential to generate income if used correctly. For example, if you have a YouTube channel, those followers are an asset that can be monetized through courses, consulting, products, or partnerships. Next, it's crucial to create an integrated system of multiple income streams. It's no use having several disconnected fronts. They need to communicate and generate value complementarily. A course can be an entry point for a premium service, which in turn drives sales of physical or digital products. This ecosystem creates a virtuous cycle of growth. Automation is another key point. Trying to do everything manually limits your reach and consumes time that should be dedicated to strategy and innovation. Use technology to scale your operations. Automate sales, marketing, customer service, and product delivery. This frees up your schedule to focus on growth and creating new income streams. It's also important to build partnerships that add value. Don't think you have to do everything alone. Strategic alliances with other entrepreneurs, influencers, and suppliers can open doors, expand your audience, and accelerate your results. However, to apply this strategy, you need to avoid common mistakes that can delay or destroy your efforts. The first is dispersion. Many start several projects at once without consolidating any income source. Elon Musk chooses projects that connect and develops each one in an integrated way, building a strong and sustainable system. So prioritize and focus on what really can be leveraged. Another mistake is not knowing your audience and your own assets deeply. Without this clarity, you risk trying to sell everything to everyone and ending up selling nothing. Know who you want to reach, what problems you solve, and how to use your resources to create relevant solutions. Ignoring automation and scalability is also a serious error. Doing everything manually limits your time and growth potential. Invest in tools and processes that automate your operations to gain efficiency. Neglecting partnerships and not learning from results are common traps as well. Be open to feedback, adapt quickly, and use your alliances to strengthen your income ecosystem. Now that you understand this hidden strategy, you're ready to act. Start by identifying your assets, creating an integrated system, investing in automation, and building solid partnerships. Test, learn, and adjust your course based on results. The key is consistency and focus. If you want to keep receiving practical and strategic content to transform your financial life and create multiple income streams, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. Here you'll find a community that thinks big and acts smart to achieve real financial freedom. Let's build your financial empire together. The transformation starts now, and I'll be here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.